Hi there, I'm here with Mr. Weichert and Miss Brown. So Mr. Weichert, what computer ed electives do you teach?
Do I teach? Well, I teach some computer science, and I teach the media stuff, but I'm going to talk about all the things that we have as far as the computer side. After digital concepts, students can take Microsoft Office, and they can also get a certification from Test Out Corp in that course. It automatically comes with the course if they elect to take that, and they'll get certified in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. They can also take Microsoft Office for college credit through Harrisburg Area Community College. The course is actually given right here at the high school, but the credit is given by hack. They get 3 college credits they can transfer to another institution. Wow. They also get a credit on their report card here. The cost of that course is about $300, which includes the textbook, so that's a pretty good deal if they want to get some college credit there. That's in the high school in the college area program that HACK does. Then we have, if you're into coding, or you're not sure if you're into coding, but you want to make the real money and make about $85,000 a year or something, to start out in Pennsylvania. That's about the average salary. You can try out AP Computer Science Principles, which gets your feet wet. You write codes on apps on the computer, you write code on the computer, and then it runs on a mobile phone, which is kind of neat. And then if you decide, whoa, this is kind of interesting, you can take AP Computer Science with Mr. Zirkle, and you'll be learning Java in that course, which is what you would learn if you were a computer science major starting out in college. And so we have those offerings. After that, if coding isn't your thing, but you really like computers, you might be interested in the Computer Repair Technician Certification Program that we have, where you can build a computer from scratch, fix any kind of problem the computer might have. You can move on to computer networking, and then that program finishes off with computer security. And that is a really cool course because there's all kinds of cool hacker stuff that happens in that one. Each of those 3 classes has their own certificate at the end that you can put on your resume. It also goes on your high school transcript. The other thing we have is if you're into digital media, you can elect to take multimedia, where you will study video production, animation, audio editing, and a little bit of web design. And further, if you like media, you might want to be interested in journalism. Yes. And so...
Yeah, can you tell us a little bit about Yearbook?
Of course. So, the Yearbook Course is one where it's our job to create the yearbook. So, the things we're looking for are people who can take photos and are interested in school events, who want to talk to people, who like to write, who are really just interested in, putting together an amazing product that's going to highlight the school and all the amazing things that we do here. So, certainly you've got opportunities to compete with the yearbook. We compete on a regional, state, and national level. We've been a national winner. We've been a state winner now 2 years in a row. We've got 6 students between Mr. Weichert's group and my group going to the state finals this year. So it's really an opportunity to get some skills that are completely translatable to the future, regardless of whatever career you're planning to do. So we have a lot of fun. We work hard, but we put together an amazing product. So anyone who's interested should definitely come see me.
Great, for sure. Mr. Weichert, can you tell us about the broadcast portion of High Street Media?
Sure. The broadcast portion does the live show like we're watching right now. We publish our stuff on the web. We do live tweeting at games, and we get students there. And if you're not a person that feels like I could never be in front of the camera and do anything like that, a lot of the jobs, in fact, most of the jobs are behind the camera. They're in the control room right now running all of the fantastic equipment we have there to make it all happen. And so, like the yearbook program, we go to all the same competitions, and it's really an amazing time. A lot of skills that you can use in all kinds of areas.
Great. Thank you so much. Yeah, shout out to High Street Media. All right, let's take it back to the desk.